Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is On Top of Old Smoky, a great song to sing in a group and very easy. It's only got 3 chords and it's the same pattern all the way through. I'll sing it through and then I'll tell you some more about it. On top of Old Smoky, all covered in snow, I lost my true lover, for courting too slow. For courting's a pleasure, but parting is grief. But a false-hearted lover is worse than a thief. For a thief will just rob you and take what you save, but a false-hearted lover will send you to your grave, and the grave will decay you and turn you to dust. Not one girl in 100 a poor boy can trust. They'll hug you and kiss you and tell you more lies than a cross ties on a railroad or stars in the sky. So come all ye young men and listen to me. Never place your affections on a green willow tree, for the leaves they will wither and the roots they will die, and you'll be forsaken and never know why. You'll never know why. No, you'll never know why. It's not at all clear where Old Smoky or the Smoky Mountain is or are, but the song was collected by Cecil, Sharpe and Maud Carplaws in the Appalachian Mountains in the early 1900s, where the population have roots in the UK, so it may have origins there. Smoky might even mean misty, which is more likely for the UK. The first to make a commercial recording of it was George Renault, known as the blind musician of the Smoky Mountains, who worked as a busker in Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1960s saw an increasing interest in country music, led by Pete Seeger, who sang this song with new verses and accompanied on the banjo. I know it best from the 1951 recording by Burl Ives, but the Weavers version of the same year reached number 10 in the pop charts. And it's been recorded by many others, including Bing Crosby, Gene Autry, Perry Como, and there's also a comedy version from 1963 by Tom Glazer called On Top of Spaghetti, all covered in cheese. Well, as I say, this song only has 3 chords, and it's in 3 time. It's a waltz. It's got 3 chords, so chords 1, 4 and 5 in the key of C. That would be a C chord, an F chord and a G7. If you play the C chord to start with, and then the 3rd string open gives you the first note to sing. On top of all, then it goes straight to an F chord. Smoky, all covered in C. I found my true, then G7 lover. Back to C again. So that's the pattern, and that's the same for every verse. String pattern is in 3 time, as I said. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can put the accent on the second beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Or the third beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just for a change. And you can also put in a little extra fiddle. you fancy. Well, I hope you found that interesting and helpful, and I hope you have a go at it. But whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.